from past 4.5 years in VVD Technologies. So when I started my journey, so I joined here as a fresher from my college. I placed here. So I joined here as a intern. So at that time I was working in the NOC team. NOC team stands for like Network Operations Management team. So there we were monitoring the production environments, production servers, these things on various monitoring tools like App Dynamics, CloudWatch, Zabbix. So these I have worked on. Then I moved to the CloudOps team. So there my roles and responsibilities were to manage the infrastructure on AWS cloud. So there we were managing the all the AWS servers. There were 1,500 plus servers present on the AWS. So we were managing, like we were deploying the codes if any new deployment came using various deployment methods like Blue, Green, or Canary. Similarly, like we were doing the patching of the servers to secure our systems, like patching more OS vulnerabilities, business vulnerabilities, these things. So at that time, I was working with AWS. Then at that time, like when we were deploying the code, so deployment was done using the Jenkins, and Git was included in that. Then after 1 year, I was moved to the DevOps team. So there, my roles and responsibilities were to automate our infrastructure, whatever task we are doing on day-to-day basis manually. So there we were like automating the things using Ansible. Apart from this, we were written Python scripts to automate these. Then recently, I was doing the project for disaster recovery. Like if any of the AWS environment or AWS region went down, so how we'll keep our things running in another region. So for that, we are using Terraform.
Okay, awesome. Very impressive profile, I would say. So this is your first company where you are working. You said you joined
Yes,
as an intern. Okay.
yes, yes.
And overall, how many years of experience you have?
4.5, same.
4.5 years. And you did
Yeah.
your graduation in computer science or which stream?
IT.
IT. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So everything on the resume is you understand that you have prepared, I believe, yourself.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So which DevOps tools are you comfortable? You mentioned a bit of Jenkins, then moved to a lot of cloud monitoring. You mentioned
Yes.
any
Then Terraform, Ansible. Apart from this containerization part, I have worked on Docker as well as Kubernetes. But Kubernetes, I have done like that much on hands-on experience. I don't have because there is no project in my current company. But for the learning purpose, I did the certification as well for Kubernetes.
Okay, yeah, I see that you have done 3 exams as well.
Yes, yes.
Did you find them difficult? These
No, like professional AWS Certified Solution Architect professional was a little bit difficult because it comes with more with the costing part as well. So that was a little bit difficult, but apart from these two, these are okay.
okay. Did you use any dumps or anything? How did you prepare these for these exams?
Yeah, so I prepared from Udemy courses. So in my company, like they provided us the Udemy credentials and the courses. So there in the Udemy courses itself, there are the practice labs. So we practiced from those labs and the documentation as well. In the in the CK Certified Kubernetes Administrator, in the exam itself, they are like allowing us to open the documentation of the Kubernetes.
Right.
So we can like easily manage that. Also, before that, we did the hands-on practice labs to practice for the exam.
So very good. I'll stop sharing this. And I want to understand this monitoring part first, because you probably have worked extensively on the monitoring side. So
Yes.
what is this like? Give me some idea, like why do we need so close monitoring, and uh, which kind of monitoring did you work on? Was it something
Okay.
out of the box, or were you also involved in log monitoring, etc.?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so like when we are having 1500, I was telling you that we were managing 1500 plus servers and all were the production servers. So when coming to the production server, so we have to keep close watch whether all these systems, like our systems should be up and running and there should not be any downtime. So we should like monitor our servers very closely. So we were using the server level monitoring firstly on the CloudWatch, but CloudWatch is having some CloudWatch is a service of AWS, so CloudWatch is having some limitations. Like it is not giving us the memory metrics. Apart from this, if we want to monitor the response time of our APIs, like application level monitoring, so that things are also not given by CloudWatch. So on the CloudWatch, we were just monitoring the CPU utilization, disk utilization. Apart from this, if the servers are healthy or not, only these type of monitoring we can do using the
But
CloudWatch.
with the CloudWatch agent, you can always
Yes,
uh,
yes, but we can you monitor the using the CloudWatch agent, but in that case we have to install CloudWatch agent on all the instances.
the
So
one
that
that you
was
want
little
to.
bit.
Okay, how
Yes.
did you overcome this?
So we went onto this we were looking for the solutions. So we found one open source monitoring tool, Zabbix. So on the Zabbix tool, in that case as well, we have to install the Zabbix agent on the servers.
Right.
So, but from that as well, we were only getting the memory metrics, but not the API level monitoring. So then we went to this app dynamics. So on the app dynamics, we have the clear picture of all the like from where database is connecting to the servers and how this Redis clusters are connecting to the servers. Everything we are getting the picture of our
So what
incomplete
is the difference
infrastructure.
between these tools? Do you understand why these
Yes.
tools are different? And
Yes, like in the we can say in the metrics level, like we can monitor more infrastructure on these tools. So on the app dynamics, I can say that we can monitor many things. Like we can monitor our database metrics as well on the app dynamics. Apart from this, each and every API which is calling inside between application between